Bro, you always complaining, man. We got that, didn't it? Didn't we get there? Barely. Okay then, don't worry about it. You can't drive. We always in a regular car. When you gonna get rid of this motherfucker? Hey, stop talking about my car, boy. This is a classic. You really can walk home. Man, you know I was just playing, man. Go on, drive that regular motherfucker. Hey, that's what I thought. Now sit back. Bro, this your car. What's wrong with it? Every time we get in it, it's a problem, man. Shut up and get in the driver's side. All right. Hey, try it again. It ain't turning. Man, you need to get that regular motherfucker towed. Try it again. It sounded that motherfucker singing. Hee hee. You don't hear that? Bro, stop playing on my car, bro. You need to tow this classic. Bro, you ain't no help. What you want me to do? I ain't no mechanic.